How to stop surviving. Fix your root chakra for more safety, security, money. When our root chakra is underactive, block, we feel we don't belong. We are the black sheep. We don't feel secure, safe, stable. We can't seem to make good money or hold on to it. We even start thinking we are not from this planet. Deep down we feel, I am not enough. This lack of energy in the foundation of our inner house can easily lead to depression, despair, and apathy. The foundation of a block root chakra is a trapped emotion of unworthiness that happened before the age of 7 years old. That trapped emotion may have been caused by the way our parents raised us, or simply our childhood environment. Sometimes it's a bigger wound that was accompanied with betrayal. To balance the root chakra, we need to release these trapped emotions. I personally use the emotion code technique, and then bring our attention to the root chakra daily for 10 to 21 days while creating fractals of coherence. Other advices are: Number 1. Walk barefoot on earth with full attention on our pelvic floor and opening the chakras under our feet. Where attention goes, energy goes. Number 2. Write down root chakra affirmations like, I am safe, protected, and guided on earth. I am nourished and supported by Mother Earth. I am at home in my own body. Number 3. Consume the content of Marissa Peer about I am enough. Write it down on your bathroom mirror. Set an alarm with that name. Change the background photo of your phone with a childhood photo of you. Number 4. Do a root chakra meditation daily, where you visualize a vertical torus field at your pelvic floor, where energy shoots down inside of Mother Earth, layer by layer till reaching the middle, and bring back up that red, nurturing love energy. That energy spirals up through all the Earth's layers till it hits the bottom of our spine, which can even activate the Kundalini and make our spine dance. Bring that red energy all over your hips, legs, feel the sensation of gravity, then bring it all the way up your body, and lastly, push that energy out in your energy field. Feel yourself surrounded by a red sphere of energy 10 feet in front of you. Finalize this meditation, showing your gratitude to Gaia Pachamama for all the tasty fruits, vegetables, beautiful flowers, trees, animals, landscapes, and especially for your safety, security, stability, and nurturing love. Comment below your spiritual journey questions.